Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to turn a task into a subtask in Asana. This is incredibly useful when you realize that a standalone task actually belongs under a larger parent task, helping you organize your project hierarchy more effectively. First, open your project in Asana Web. Once you're in, click on the task that already has some subtasks. This will be your parent task where you'll nest the new subtask. Scroll down until you see the list of existing subtasks underneath it. This gives you a clear view of the task structure you're working with. Now, here's where the transformation happens. Hover over the task name or line you want to convert into a subtask. When you do this, you'll notice a drag handle icon appear on the left side. It looks like 6 dots stacked vertically. Click and hold this drag handle. This is your key to repositioning tasks anywhere within your project. While holding down your mouse button, drag the task downward toward the parent task where you want it to live. As you drag, you'll see a black line appear. This line is crucial because it shows you exactly where the task will be placed. Keep dragging until that black line appears directly below the parent task, indicating it will nest as a subtask rather than remain at the main task level. When you see the black line in the right position, release your mouse button. The task will instantly shift from being a standalone item to a subtask nested under your chosen parent task. This visual feedback ensures you're placing it exactly where you want it. Take a moment to verify that the task now appears indented under the parent task as a subtask. You'll notice it sits slightly to the right of the parent task, clearly showing the hierarchical relationship between them. If you need to make any adjustments, simply click on the newly created subtask to open its details panel. Here you can edit the subtask name, add descriptions, assign team members, set due dates, or make any other modifications as needed, and that's it. You've successfully turned a regular task into a subtask in Asana, creating a more organized and structured project workflow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.